Welcome to Apache Kafka, Part 4. Up to now, the Docker engine was installed, the Kafka server was configured with persistent storage, a topic was created, messages were produced, and a consumer group was defined. In the next few steps, this video will tie all the previous work performed, showing how it relates to Boomi when defining the Boomi connection and produce operation. In this step, the connection information is provided and saved. After saving the connection information, click on the test connection. If the information was entered correctly and the Boomi runtime is able to communicate with the Kafka server, the result will be a successful connection test. After the successful connection test, creating the operation is next. Using the import wizard, a profile will be created when clicking on the green plus icon in the operation field. This will bring up the import wizard. Select the runtime that can access the Kafka server. Select the object type, my new topic. Select next, and then finished. In the operation, provide the client ID that was created. In this case, it is Quick Start Events 01. Then click Save and Close. The Boomi connection and produce operation are complete. Nice job! Watch Part 5 to see the publishing of the message using a Boomi integration process.